Welcome back, AI enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI side hustles. As artificial intelligence continues to revolutionize industries, there are abundant opportunities for individuals to leverage their skills and make some extra income. So let's explore the different ways you can make money using AI. But first, what exactly is artificial intelligence? AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines, allowing them to learn, reason, and perform tasks independently. Machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks are at the core of AI's power. Now let's jump into our first AI side hustle idea: data annotation and labeling services. High-quality, annotated data is crucial for training AI models. So, if you have a keen eye for detail, you can offer your services to AI companies or researchers in need of data annotation. There are various platforms and marketplaces where you can find potential clients. Moving on to our next side hustle idea, AI content creation. As the demand for content continues to grow, AI-generated articles, blog posts, and social media content are becoming increasingly popular. You can tap into this market by using AI tools and platforms to create high-quality, AI-generated content. Platforms and freelance marketplaces are great avenues for selling your creations. Chatbot development is another lucrative AI side hustle. Chatbots are revolutionizing customer service, sales, and support. If you have programming skills, you can develop and sell chatbot solutions to businesses. There are plenty of resources and tools available to assist you in creating these intelligent virtual assistants. Now let's talk about AI-driven trading. Algorithmic trading, heavily reliant on AI and machine learning, is gaining momentum. Individuals can participate in this side hustle by leveraging AI algorithms to make informed trading decisions. However, it's essential to thoroughly research and educate yourself on the risks involved in this field. So, what skills and resources do you need for these AI side hustles? Basic programming skills are essential, and learning languages like Python can give you a head start. Additionally, there are various AI tools and platforms available to help you develop your projects. Continuous learning is key to staying updated with the latest AI trends, and online courses and communities can aid in your ongoing education. Now that you have the skills, let's discuss monetization and marketing strategies. Building an online presence is vital. Create a professional website or portfolio to showcase your AI skills. Establishing a strong social media presence can help you connect with potential clients. Freelancing platforms and marketplaces are excellent places to find AI-related gigs. And don't forget the power of networking and collaborations. Join AI communities, attend conferences, and participate in online forums to expand your connections. As we wrap up, remember that AI side hustles offer a great opportunity to monetize your AI skills and passion. Whether it's data annotation, AI content creation, chatbot development, or AI-driven trading, there's something for everyone. So, go out there, explore these ideas, and leverage the power of AI to boost your income. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And as always, stay curious and keep exploring the limitless possibilities of AI. See you next time.